Hi everyone. First of all, we all wish you happy Onam. On this joyous occasion of Onam, we wish you had joy and good health and may always enjoy the bounty of nature. May you all be blessed with happiness and prosperity in your life. We all know that we are moving through a crucial pandemic period of time. Every place in this world has been affected by the coronavirus, and we all know that day by day the number of affected persons has been increasing and the death rate is also been increasing, and for up to date there is no vaccines have been found to prevent this virus. So all we can do is that to maintain our body healthy and fit. Better health is the center of human happiness and well-being. It also makes as an important contribution of our economic progress, as healthy population live longer, are more productive and save more. There is an inspiring quote by Josh Billings that health is like money, we never have a true idea of its value until we lose it. So, we must give the first priority to our health itself. There are so many health tips which can be done daily to maintain our body strong. So, here my friends are with a small video which shows the most important health tips and the most easiest one that we all can follow, do every day. So, now let's go to the video.
Health is just like wealth. Until we lose it, we don't understand its real value. Let's go through the importance of sleep in our health. Sleep plays an important role in our physical health. A good night's sleep is incredibly important for our health. Let's discuss the importance of sleep. The first one, poor sleep is linked to higher body weight. Short sleep duration is associated with an increased risk of weight gain and obesity in both children and adults. The second one, good sleep can improve concentration and productivity. Good sleep can maximize problem solving skills and enhance memory. Poor sleep has been shown to impair brain function. The third one, good sleep can maximize athletic performance. Longer sleep has been shown to improve many aspects of athletic and physical performance. And the last one is poor sleepers have a great risk of heart disease and stroke. Sleeping less than 7 to 8 hours per night is linked to an increased risk of heart disease and stroke. Sleep on your left side. This picture clearly demonstrates that why we should always sleep on our left side. According to the structure of our stomach, if we sleep on our right side, then the stomach acids can cause a lot of problems in our health like improper digestion, problem in blood flow, heartburn, etc. On the other hand, if we sleep on our left side, the stomach acids can do their work more efficiently and as a result, digestion happen very well.
Mental health. We can say a person is totally healthy only if he is mentally and physically healthy. So, mental health is very important for us. So, we have to give more priority to mental health. Many reasons are behind the mental weakness. Most and common reason is the overstress in our day-to-day life, our emotions, loneliness, severe stresses, discrimination, unemployment, broken relationships, workloads, etc. may be ends in mental illness. Untreated mental illness leads to many health issues. This will leads to physical weakness also. So, maintaining mental health is very important for us. So, how can we solve this, or how can we achieve mental health? We can achieve mental health by doing a lot of things like stay active or stay connected with your society, getting enough sleep, talk about your anxieties to someone, reduce negativity and be positive, eat well and keep similar routine, read more, go outside and spend with nature, avoid drugs and alcohols, maintaining our relationships. This will also help you to come outside from your mentally affected problems. So, don't ignore your mental health. Thank you.
Why morning routine is important for us. If we begin a day with a positive and productive mind, it will reflect throughout the day. A productive morning routine has a great role in our entire day. A common thing shared among all successful people is a healthy and productive morning routine. There is a saying, if you can win the morning, you can win the day. Even the smallest thing we do in our mornings will make a huge impact on our entire day. Also, by following these morning habits every day will make a huge difference. If we able to follow a few good habits in the morning, it will create a positive momentum for the day. So, how can we create a healthy, productive, and positive morning routine? Here are some tips for you to make your mornings more productive and healthy. Tip number one: the first hour of the day determines the rest of it. The most important is wake up early. It will bring you positivity, enhanced productivity, healthier life, extra time for yourself, and a lot more. Also, start your day with a squeeze of hot lemon water. Tip number two: make a to do list which will make our day a little more organized and complete. Tip number three: go for a walk. Enjoy the nature or do some exercise which allows a lot of blood flow in your body. This will make you refreshing and energetic throughout the day. Tip number four: never skip your breakfast. We need some food in our system which will help for the functioning of our body. Drink lots of water. Tip number five: early morning cold water bath will not only increase your alertness, your motivation level, but also keep your stress level lower. Tip number six: reading. Spend 30 minutes for reading will set yourself up for an energy filled day. So I hope that help you to form a good daily morning routine and set you up for success and healthy.
What is the importance of healthy eating? Depending on where you live, you might start your day with eating food first before doing an activity. Food is the most important thing in our lives besides water. Moreover, healthy eating means eating a variety of food that gives you the nutrients you need to maintain your health, feel good, and have energy. These nutrients include protein, carbohydrate, fat, water, vitamin, and minerals. Eating a healthy balanced diet is one of the most important things you can do to protect your health. In fact, up to 80% of premature heart disease and stroke can be prevented through your life choices and habits, such as eating a healthy diet and being physically active. A healthy diet can help lower your risk of disease, improving cholesterol levels, reducing blood pressure, helping manage body weight, controlling blood sugar. A healthy diet includes 1. Eating lots of vegetables and fruits. Vegetables and fruits are packed with nutrients and helps you maintain a healthy weight by keeping you full longer. 2. Choosing whole grain foods. 3. Eating protein foods. Protein foods include legumes, nuts, seeds, fish, egg, milk. Protein helps build and maintain bones, muscles, and skin. 4. Limiting highly and ultra processed foods. Highly processed foods, often called ultra processed, are foods that are changed from their original food source and have many added ingredients. During processing, often important nutrients such as vitamins, minerals, and fiber are removed while salt and sugar are added. Because we have to limit these food items. 5. Making water your drink of choice. Water supports health and promotes hydration without adding calories to the diet. 6. Do not avoid breakfast. Good nutrition is an important part of leading a healthy lifestyle. Combined with the physical activity, your diet can help you to reach and maintain a healthy weight, reduce your risk of chronic disease like heart disease and cancer, and promote your overall health.
Exercise. It is an important one that can improve your mental and physical health. It can improve your health and reduce the risk of developing several diseases like cancer and cardiovascular diseases. Exercise deliver more oxygen to your tissues and help your cardiovascular system work more efficiently. Regular exercise can help you sleep better, reduce stress, control your weight. It develop your muscle flexibility and it help to keep a healthy body weight. It strengthens your bones and muscles and also reduces the blood pressure. After all, you feel better about your body. Hence, for a better health, regular exercise is very important.
The tips for summer. We need to pay more attention towards our health during summer. The longer we spend in the heat, the more serious the effects on your body can be. Increased body temperature can cause heavy sweating, clammy skin, dehydration, tiredness, headache, dizziness, nausea, cramps, and a quick weak pulse. I introduce a few tips for being healthy during summer. Stay hydrated. Water is the best hydrating agent. Treat your eyes well. Protect your vision from harsh sunlight. Pay attention to what we eat and keep them fresh. Eat healthy and light food. Add more hydrating food in the diet. Be with your family and relaxed. Try to stay indoors. Wear sunscreen every day with SPF 15. It will protect your skin from sunburn and keep it healthy. Rest up and have a sound sleep.
Hygiene. Hygiene is a set of practices performed to preserve health. According to the World Health Organization, hygiene refers to conditions and practices that help to maintain health and spread of diseases. Let's go through some hygiene tips to stay healthy. First one, bathing. Second one, washing hands. Third one, brushing. Bathing. Bath daily and clean your body parts well. Bathroom should be always kept clean and use bathroom slippers. Don't share bath towel with others and should wash the towel at least in every 2 days. Washing hands. Clean your hands before and after eating food. Wash hand for 20 seconds with soap and water. Use sanitizer if required. Brushing. Brush your teeth every day in the morning. It is advisable to brush in the night as well before going to bed. Don't overuse toothpaste. Clean your tongue. If necessary, you can use a good mouthwash. Avoid smoking.
Internet use or computer games is an important factor which affect our health. Excessive gaming can have an adverse impact on the teen health as they spend more time playing virtual games rather than having some physical exercise. This practice increases the risk of childhood obesity. Sometimes children also skip meals and sleep to play games they are addicted to. Social media and mobile devices may lead to psychological and physical issues. Health psychology shows that gaming disorders are linked to greater levels of loneliness, anxiety, depression, sleeping problems, social problems, and many other psychological social problems. Game addiction problems can induce repetitive strain injuries, skin disorders, or health issues. Other problems include video game provoked seizures in patients with epilepsy. In rare and extreme cases, death have resulted from excessive video game playing. Eye strain, musculoskeletal problems, sleep problems, mental health, which will affect our health by the use of mobile phones, computer, tablets, etc. Digital eye strain may happen due to prolonged use of computers, tablets, and cell phones. Contributing factors are screen glare, bad lighting, and improper viewing distance. There is also a remedy. Try to take a 20-second break every 20 minutes to look at something that 20 feet away. Musculoskeletal problems which also affect our health. When you use a smartphone, the chances are that you are holding your head in an unnatural forward leaning position. This puts a lot of stress on your neck, shoulders, and spine. Overuse of technology can also lead to repetitive strain injuries of the fingers, thumbs, and wrist. To reduce these issues, take frequent breaks to stretch, create an ergonomic workspace, maintain proper posture while using your devices. Sleep problems which also affect our health. The use of technological devices in the hour before going to bed, which can be psychologically and physiologically stimulating enough to affect sleep. The exposure to the blue light that devices emit can suppress melatonin and interrupt your circadian clock. Both of these effects can make it harder to fall asleep and result in you being lost alert in the morning. There is also health benefits by the use of these technologies, that is enhances memory, brain speed and concentration. But the overuse of these technologies affects our health badly. The time and energy we spend in our mobile phones, if we invest that amount of time and energy on our health, it will make a better life.
Let us conclude our topic. My lovely friends are says lots of health tips. Among these we can understand the importance of our health. There is nothing more important than good health in our life. Health is defined as a state of complete mental and physical well-being. It may also be defined as the ability to adjust physical, mental and social challenges throughout life. Man of good health can enjoy each and every moment of happiness throughout in their life. Health is wealth. It is a very famous proverb which means that health is the real money and prosperity. A person who has a healthy body and mind can achieve everything. A healthy person is full of positivity and energy. As health tip is a very wide topic, so we are not able to sum up everything in one sentence or few words. So we are trying to give you an idea on importance of health in our day-to-day life. In this pathetic situation, our health plays a vital role. A healthy body eliminates every negativities and keeps us away from all diseases. So be healthy, be happy and stay safe. Thank you.